From the peaks of towering mountains to the depths of verdant forests, our planet is filled with awe-inspiring landscapes. Today, we're taking you on a journey to discover 10 incredible places that showcase the beauty and diversity of nature. Number 10, Grand Canyon, USA. Our journey begins in the United States, at one of the most iconic natural wonders in the world, the Grand Canyon. Carved by the Colorado River over millions of years, this colossal chasm stretches 277 miles long, up to 18 miles wide and over a mile deep. The Grand Canyon is a testament to the Earth's geological history, revealing nearly 2 billion years of rock layers. Imagine standing on the edge, feeling the vastness of the canyon, and witnessing the ever-changing hues of the rocks as the sun rises or sets. This natural masterpiece is not just a sight to behold, but a reminder of the power and beauty of natural forces. Whether you're hiking the rugged trails, rafting down the turbulent river, or simply soaking in the panoramic views, the Grand Canyon is an unforgettable experience. Number 9, Great Barrier Reef, Australia. Next, we dive into the azure waters of Australia to explore the Great Barrier Reef, the largest coral reef system on the planet. Spanning over 400 miles along the Queensland coast, this underwater paradise is home to an astonishing diversity of marine life. From the dazzling corals and schools of tropical fish to majestic sea turtles and graceful manta rays, the Great Barrier Reef is a vibrant, thriving ecosystem. It's a place where the underwater world comes alive in a spectacular display of colors and shapes. But this natural wonder faces significant threats from climate change, coral bleaching, and pollution. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect and restore the reef, ensuring that future generations can continue to marvel at its beauty. So whether you're snorkeling, diving, or viewing it from above, the Great Barrier Reef is a mesmerizing adventure. Number 8, Aurora Borealis, Norway. Our journey continues to the Arctic Circle, where we witness one of the most awe-inspiring natural phenomena on Earth, the Aurora Borealis, or Northern Lights. In Norway, the sky comes alive with brilliant colors and patterns as charged particles from the sun collide with Earth's atmosphere. The result is a breathtaking celestial dance of greens, pinks, and purples that illuminate the night sky. Imagine standing under this cosmic light show, feeling a sense of wonder and connection to the universe. The best time to witness the Northern Lights is during the winter months in places like Tromsø or the Lofoten Islands, where clear skies and long nights create the perfect conditions. This ethereal experience is a reminder of the beauty and mystery of our planet and the cosmos beyond. Number 7, Sahara Desert, Africa. Next, we travel to the vast and enigmatic Sahara Desert, the largest hot desert in the world. Spanning over 3.6 million square miles across North Africa, the Sahara is a landscape of extremes with scorching temperatures, towering sand dunes, and endless horizons. Despite its harsh conditions, the Sahara is a place of stunning beauty and serenity. Imagine the quiet of the desert, the soft whispers of the wind, and the ever-changing patterns of the dunes under the shifting light. The Sahara is also home to unique cultures and traditions, from the nomadic Bedouins to the ancient rock art that tells stories of a time when the desert was a lush green landscape. Exploring the Sahara on a camel trek or a 4x4 adventure is a journey into a world of timeless beauty and profound silence. Number 6, Victoria Falls, Zimbabwe. Our next destination brings us to the border of Zambia and Zimbabwe, where we encounter the majestic Victoria Falls. Known locally as Moziwa Tunya, or the smoke that thunders, Victoria Falls is one of the largest and most famous waterfalls on Earth. With a width of over a mile and a height of 354 feet, the sheer volume of water crashing down creates a thunderous roar and a misty spray that can be seen from miles away. Rainbows often form in the mist, adding to the ethereal beauty of this natural wonder. The falls are part of the Zambezi River, which flows through the stunning Zambezi National Park. Whether you're viewing the falls from the numerous lookout points, taking a boat ride to the base, or even daring a swim in the Devil's Pool, Victoria Falls is an exhilarating and awe-inspiring experience. Number 5. Amazon Rainforest, South America. Our journey now takes us deep into the heart of South America, to the Amazon Rainforest, the planet's largest tropical rainforest. Spanning across 9 countries, the Amazon is often referred to as the lungs of the Earth, producing 20% of the world's oxygen. This lush green expanse is a biodiversity hotspot, home to millions of species, many of which are still undiscovered. Picture the dense canopy teeming with life, from vibrant macaws and elusive jaguars to countless insects and rare plants. The Amazon River, winding its way through the forest, is a lifeline for both wildlife and indigenous communities. These communities have lived in harmony with the forest for centuries, maintaining a deep connection to the land. However, the Amazon faces severe threats from deforestation and climate change. Efforts to protect and sustainably manage this precious ecosystem are vital for its survival. Exploring the Amazon is a journey into the wild, full of discovery and wonder. Number 4. Patagonia, Argentina. Next, we venture to the southernmost regions of South America, to the rugged and breathtaking landscapes of Patagonia. Stretching across Argentina and Chile, Patagonia is a land of contrasts, where towering mountains meet expansive grasslands and ancient glaciers carve their way through pristine lakes. Imagine the majesty of the Andes Mountains, the serene beauty of turquoise glacial lakes and the vast windswept plains. Patagonia is a paradise for adventurers and nature lovers alike, offering activities like hiking in Torres del Paine, visiting the Perito Moreno Glacier and exploring the remote wilderness of Tierra del Fuego. This region is also home to unique wildlife, including guanacos, condors and the elusive puma. The raw, untouched beauty of Patagonia is a reminder of the power and tranquility of nature. Number 3. Banff National Park, Canada. Our journey now takes us to the majestic landscapes of Banff National Park in Canada, a true gem of the Canadian Rockies. Established in 1885, Banff is Canada's oldest national park and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Imagine the pristine turquoise waters of Lake Louise and Moraine Lake set against a backdrop of towering snow-capped peaks. The park is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts, offering world-class hiking, skiing and wildlife viewing. From the stunning vistas of the Icefields Parkway to the soothing waters of the Banff Upper Hot Springs, this park is a treasure trove of natural beauty. Keep an eye out for wildlife like grizzly bears, elk and bighorn sheep as you explore the park's diverse ecosystems. Banff is a place where nature's grandeur is on full display, inspiring awe and reverence. Number 2. Fiordland National Park, New Zealand. Next, we travel to the southwestern corner of New Zealand's South Island, to the breathtaking Fiordland National Park. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is home to some of the most dramatic and stunning landscapes in the world. Imagine the deep, glacially carved fjords of Milford Sound and Doubtful Sound, surrounded by towering cliffs and lush rainforests. The park's pristine lakes, cascading waterfalls and rugged mountains create a serene and otherworldly atmosphere. Fiordland is a paradise for hikers, with the famous Milford Track and Rootburn Track offering unforgettable experiences. The park's diverse ecosystems are home to unique wildlife, including the endangered takahi and the kia, a curious alpine parrot. Exploring Fiordland by boat, foot, or even air is an adventure into a world of natural splendor and tranquility. Number 1. Mount Everest, Nepal, Tibet. Our final destination is the legendary Mount Everest, the highest peak on Earth, straddling the border between Nepal and Tibet. Standing at 29,032 feet, Mount Everest has captured the imagination of adventurers and mountaineers for decades. Picture the majestic snow-covered peak rising above the clouds, an enduring symbol of human aspiration and the grandeur of nature. The journey to Everest Base Camp is an adventure in itself, offering stunning views of the Himalayas, encounters with local Sherpa culture, and a sense of camaraderie among trekkers from around the world. Climbing Everest is a monumental challenge, requiring physical and mental endurance, but the reward is standing on the roof of the world. For those who seek adventure and inspiration, Mount Everest represents the pinnacle of natural beauty and human achievement. While these stunning landscapes inspire awe, they also face significant challenges. Climate change, deforestation, pollution, and human activity threaten their beauty and biodiversity. From the melting glaciers of Patagonia and the disappearing corals of the Great Barrier Reef to the deforestation in the Amazon and the pollution affecting the Grand Canyon, our natural wonders are at risk. But there is hope. Conservation efforts, sustainable tourism practices, and community initiatives are making a difference. It's up to us to take action and protect these incredible places for future generations. SAO Resolution 3M. Thankfully, many positive initiatives are underway to safeguard these landscapes. From reforestation projects in the Amazon to coral restoration efforts in the Great Barrier Reef, people around the world are working tirelessly to protect our natural heritage, while community-led conservation in the Amazon and Patagonia ensures that local voices are heard. Let's celebrate these efforts and continue to support and participate in the preservation of our natural wonders. Our planet's landscapes are not only breathtakingly beautiful, but also vital to our existence. They provide us with clean air, water, and countless resources, while inspiring us with their majesty and diversity. By exploring and appreciating these natural wonders, we can find the motivation to protect and preserve them. Let's cherish these gifts of nature and ensure they endure for future generations to enjoy. Remember, the beauty of our planet is in our hands. Inspired to make a difference? Learn more about the importance of preserving our natural landscapes and share this video with your friends. Dive deeper into sustainable travel and ecotourism by watching our related videos. Hit like, subscribe, and start your journey towards a greener planet today.